introduce to you a very special bread. Kenya has no traditional Kenyan bread. Bread has changed its shape as time have changed. At first, Kenyan bread did not use yeast, so the bread were very hard. Nonetheless, this bread did not use yeast and they were also roasted. However, all breads nowadays are very soft and they vary in shapes. I will introduce a long cinnamon bread made by Kenyans on a special day. This bread contains cinnamon inside, so this bread smells and tastes good. After baking, the bread is cut into pieces of suitable size with a knife and placed on a plate. Let's see and learn. Follow me.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's go to Kenya. Today I'm going to show you how to bake soft and long cinnamon bread. Here is the following ingredients. Welcome. 2 kg of wheat flour, salt, sugar, cinnamon, yeast, warm water, cooking oil and a small basin. Put 2 kg of wheat flour on a small basin and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add 5 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of yeast. Start blending all the ingredients that you have put together in your small basin. These long cinnamon breads ingredients should be proportional to each other for proper consistency in order to get soft and the desired bread. Add 1 liter of water at a time and start kneading. Kneading should be done thoroughly and properly, ensuring that the dough is mixed well and has attained proper consistency. This will make your bread to be soft and good. When you are almost done with kneading, add little amount of cooking oil in the dough and knead again. This is to make your dough soft enough to ease the process of rolling. When you are done with kneading, cover the dough with a polythene paper and wait for 1 hour for the dough to swell. After 1 hour, uncover your dough and knead again for about 2 minutes and cover the dough again. At this point, you will have to leave the dough for 40 minutes to swell again. After 40 minutes, the dough will be ready for making long rolled cinnamon bread. Place your dough on a table and make small balls like this. You can make the balls depending on the size of bread you want to make. Make small balls if you want small bread and make also big balls if you want big bread. It is in accordance with one's preference. Start rolling the balls in the shape of chapati like this. Here you will need cinnamon and sugar. This is how you will do it. Put 5 tablespoons of sugar on a plate and add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Stir them properly. Thereafter, hold the tray in which your bread will be baked. Using a spoon, spread the mixture of cinnamon and sugar on the rolled dough like this, and thereafter fold carefully the rolled dough like this. Take and place it on the baking tray like this. Arrange them on the tray like this, ready to be put into the bakery. After this, because I'm using fire in this bakery, light the fire in the bakery to get it hot in preparation to put the tray in it for baking. When the fire is ready, open the bakery and place the tray in it for baking your bread. Make sure there is enough fire in the bakery. You will need to wait for about 30 minutes and check to see whether your bread is ready or not. After about 30 minutes, get the tray out of the bakery, and this is how the bread looks like when they are ready. Turn them on the other side also, and then put them back in the bakery. After some time, depending with fire in the bakery, check them again. Once they are ready, take them out of the bakery, and this is how they appear. Your long cinnamon bread is ready now. Take them and place them on the table in a well-ventilated place for them to cool. Thereafter, they will be ready for eating and selling. Thank you for watching my video. You can also try making this at your home.
Before I explain Kenya has no traditional bread. The bread that just started is chapati. This chapati is the bread that Kenyans enjoy eating. The shape of this chapati also changed over time. In other words, the way and the style of making this chapati has changed a lot. So, chapati in East Africa is different in each country. The shape is the same, but the method of making is different. However, the important thing is that each country has a different culture, so it is difficult to tell which is good and which is bad. Today, I introduced to you the cinnamon roll bread. Next time, I will come back with a different title. Thank you for loving Let's Go to Kenya. In the future, I will try to become a channel that works harder. Don't forget, let's go to Kenya. Please watch till the end and click like. Bye bye. Let's go to Kenya.